and welcome to my channel. Even though the first several steps in my video are just the same as 1,000 of other origami envelope making videos on YouTube, but trust me, the later steps are different and easier. So please stay with me and let's do it.
At first take an A4 size paper like this. Now fold it into half like this. Press this side down like this. Now you have to do another half fold like this line along this line. So do it. Do the fold, press this side down, and then do another half fold like this line along this line. Do it perfectly. Then lastly you have to do another half fold like this line to this line. You can do it in this way or in this way. I prefer to do it in this way, so I'm doing this in this way. Now fold it back. Okay. Now see this corner. Fold the paper diagonally and get a little triangle like this. Make it look good. And see this corner. Do the same here. Fold it and get another cute little triangle. Now you have to fold the two sides of the paper like this side like this along the triangle and do it. Press this side down. Do the same thing here, this side. Okay. So for the next fold, you have to notice that you have to place this line along this line. Okay. So place it perfectly and then don't press the whole line, don't. Only the edges. This side, a little press here and here, a little press. And then unfold it, unfold the two sides and this side also like this. Now see here, you have to find two dots, one here, another here, where these two lines crossed each other, this dot and these two lines to this dot. Now fold the paper diagonally through this dot. I'm sorry for the quality, video quality, but I hope you'll understand. Okay, so this is it. First fold and here another fold through the dot. Make your folds perfect. Take your time, do it slowly, and then fold back and unfold this side. Now fold the sides, right side, this side, and left side like this. Notice that your triangles are open now. We'll do it after a while. Now this pocket, see here and here another pocket, you have to tuck this part into the pocket. Okay, do it. Press the whole paper slowly to keep the shape good looking. And now your triangle, fold it back. Firstly this one and then another one here. We're almost done. The last press to all the folds. Now fold this side, this part, and see here is a cute little pocket. You have to tuck this part into this pocket. So this will be the closed front view of your envelope. This is the back side, and when you'll open here, this will be the main inside of your envelope, this side. This is another view, and we are closing it again. So this is it.
So that's all for today, and as always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant. Take care. And if you like this video and find it helpful, then